In this video, we're going to show you how to make changes to Barai's counting map in case the order of products has changed from the previous time you took inventory. As a reminder, our inventory system is based on a map, meaning that the more you're able to keep products in the same order from one inventory to the next, the smoother and faster the process will be. In general, we recommend trying to keep a tidy map where the order of the map reflects the order of products in your bar. This will save you from making miscounts and other errors. So if you have brought in a new product or removed a product, you'll need to know how to add a line or to erase a line. Whenever you'd like to add or erase a line, you'll need to start with the cursor in columns F or G. And then if you'd like to insert a line, you can use a keyboard combination Ctrl-Shift-I for insert. Conversely, if you'd like to erase a line, use Ctrl-Shift-E for erase. If you have trouble remembering the keyboard shortcuts, you can come down here to the Instructions tab, and then here you'll see we've listed all the different keyboard combinations, and in this specific case we're looking here at numbers 6 and 7. If you don't like using keyboard shortcuts, the other option is to use the buttons which we've pre-programmed. If you're using Xcel 2007 or 2010, you'll have this ribbon at the top. Start by selecting the Add-ins tab, and then we can simply find the Insert Product button, click on that to insert, or click on the Erase Product button to erase one. For those of you using an older version, Xcel 2003, instead of the buttons being in the ribbon here at the top, you'll see that they preload on the left hand side. They'll be slightly different looking, but they'll be right there whenever you need them. Next, we're going to show you how you make changes to the specific line item in the counting map. One quick time-saving tip: if you're counting your inventory and come to an item which is not currently in stock but is likely to be restocked, simply move on to the next line and leave the space to save you having to re-enter it next time you take inventory. So as we mentioned, there are 5 different ways that you can make changes to the counting map. In each case, you want to start by selecting column G. And the first and most reliable method is to simply enter the barcode from the product by using the keypad on your laptop, or use a barcode scanner to scan the barcode. We now offer inexpensive barcode scanners to our clients for the added convenience of being able to scan items. The second method is also pretty easy. Select the line, use the arrow at the side, and you'll see a complete alphabetical list of all the products that we counted last time we took inventory. Select the item, perhaps Beefeater, and you'll see that the item updates here in column E. The third method is useful if the order of items has changed, perhaps if this Jack Daniels has moved positions. So we'll select the name of the product, press Ctrl-C to copy, select the new location, and press Ctrl-V to type. Again, column E will update. The fourth method is a little more advanced and just simply requires you to type the name of the item, perhaps Bacardi Light. And when this blue box flashes up with the product, press Enter, and again, column E will update. The final fifth method is useful for products which don't have barcodes, such as kegs. So we're going to look for the product by name. So we'll start by coming to the Master List tab, which is a complete list of our product database. Select on this cell that has the F in it to select the entire vessel name column. We can use Xcel's find function by doing Control F, and we'll see this find box comes up. Type the name of the product you're looking for, press return, and then we close down this box and use the arrow keys to select the item. You'll see we've got 3 different sizes. In this case, I'm going to collect the full-size keg, come back to the counting tab, and then use Ctrl-V to paste in the item. So those are the 5 different ways that we can make changes to Barai's counting map. Thank you very much for watching.